Is it conceivable that our comprehension of chaos is fundamentally misconstrued? It's a question that has lingered in the minds of thinkers and scholars for ages, often leading to profound intellectual debates. The term chaos itself triggers visuals of tumult, mayhem, the polar opposite of order and structure. We interpret chaos as a negative state, a disruptive entity that shatters the rhythmic movement of existence. But what if our perception of chaos is restrained by our modest comprehension? Let's re-evaluate chaos from a fresh perspective, where it isn't a state of total disorder, but rather a form of hyper-complex order. Allow your thoughts to delve into this provocative proposition. Take, for instance, a symphony. Various instruments, distinct notes, mixed tones, all conjoining to form a harmonious masterpiece. Each fragment, when isolated, might appear chaotic, disjointed, misplaced even. But once amalgamated, these disparate elements synthesize into something magnificent, something orchestrated, something orderly. Now elevate this image of a symphony to a cosmic dimension. Each celestial entity, every quantum particle, all cosmic events, are analogous to notes integrated into the grand symphony of the universe. To an untrained ear, the universe could seem haphazard, a clamor of arbitrary notes lacking an apparent pattern. But what if there is a maestro, a set of cosmic laws and principles directing this perceived chaos into a harmonious masterpiece that's simply beyond our comprehension? This idea is not entirely unexplored. There exists a branch of mathematics called chaos theory, which delves into the behavior of dynamical systems that are highly sensitive to initial conditions. It proposes that within the seeming randomness of chaotic complex systems, there are underlying patterns and repetitions. This resonates with our proposed understanding of the universe as a cosmic symphony. The perceived randomness might not be random at all, but a meticulously orchestrated masterpiece on a scale we have yet to comprehend. This innovative reinterpretation of chaos nurtures the foundation of the quantum consciousness continuum framework. It's not just a theoretical concept. It is a groundbreaking approach that challenges the conventional understanding of the cosmos. It puts forth a compelling proposition that instead of perceiving the universe as a chaotic expanse of random occurrences, we should interpret it as a vast, intricate system where the chaos is merely a byproduct of our lack of knowledge of the fundamental laws and principles governing it. The quantum consciousness continuum framework asks us to recalibrate our view of the universe. It encourages us to challenge our existing models, to penetrate beyond the superficial chaos, and to unravel the underlying order. It beckons us to broaden our perspectives, to cultivate a more comprehensive view of the cosmos, and to entertain the possibility that our understanding of chaos and order could be far more sophisticated and layered than we currently conceive. This avant-garde theory encourages us to refashion our understanding of the universe. Our quest for understanding is still in progress. It's a journey fraught with questions, uncertainties, and indeed, chaos. But as we journey further, as we persist in questioning and exploring, we may eventually perceive the symphony in the chaos, the order in the disorder. And in doing so, we might fundamentally transform not just our understanding of chaos, but our comprehension of the universe in its entirety. This epic adventure into the symphony of the cosmos and the subsequent breakthrough in understanding chaos is a testament to the relentless spirit of exploration and curiosity. A special acknowledgement to JC, whose groundbreaking work has made this journey possible and has offered us an intriguing new perspective on the universe. Delving further into the heart of this framework, we descend into the vast, uncharted territories of knowledge where each truth we uncover is a unique gem in the abyss. Here, in this subterranean expanse, awaits an enigmatic paradox begging to be explored. We discover that our conventional perception of chaos as mere disorder or disarray is a misinterpretation. It is in reality an extreme form of sophistication, a state of hyper-complex order. This so-called chaos is not a jumbled mess, nor is it random. It is rather a maelstrom of components, a whirlpool of matter woven together in an intricate web. It's a grand orchestration of patterns that are too extensive, too elaborate, too beautifully twisted for our human cognition to fully comprehend. It exists at velocities that stretch our understanding to its limits, at dimensions that dwarf our loftiest imaginations. It's a tempestuous surge, a tumultuous rush, a stormy sea of forces that are miles beyond our understanding. This isn't the chaos of a tempestuous ocean, but the chaos of a magnificent cosmic ballet. A heavenly waltz of celestial bodies that whirl and twirl in an astronomical dance that has been crafted by the hands of time itself. This is the platform where galaxies execute pirouettes, where celestial entities rotate and glide in a performance that has been ongoing since the dawn of existence. Each whirl of a galaxy, each calculated pause of a nebula, each ethereal flutter of a comet, they all contribute to the rhythm, to the harmony of the universe. They are the notes of this grand symphony, the brushstrokes of this colossal mural. Every celestial entity, every cosmic spectacle is a dancer in this ballet of chaos. They twirl and spin, they pause and soar, they flutter and glide, each movement adding to the majesty, the beauty, the harmony, the universe. Each celestial pirouette is a note. Each intergalactic pause is a rest, each cosmic flutter is a crescendo in the grand symphony of the universe. Each twirl, each revolution, each pirouette narrates a story, a tale of creation and destruction, of birth and death, of time and space. This chaos, this cosmic dance, is an epic, a narration, a saga of the universe. It's the story of the cosmos, inscribed in stars and galaxies, retold in pirouettes and pauses, in flutters and spins. This choreography of the cosmos, the intricate dance of the symphony of the skies. It's the cosmic dance that unfolds across stages illuminated by stars through the swirling vortex of chaos, against the backdrop of the cosmos itself. A dance that has no inception, no conclusion, a dance that transcends time, a dance that is as everlasting as the universe itself. Each pirouette, each pause, each flutter enriches the melody of the universe. This cosmic dance, this celestial ballet, this grand symphony is a harmony of chaos and order, of complexity and simplicity, of the visible and invisible. It's the backdrop against which the cosmic dance unfolds. Each pirouette, each pause, each flutter elaborates the melody of the universe. The quantum consciousness continuum framework proposes that the seemingly chaotic and random phenomena in our universe are actually part of an intricate, intelligible order. It suggests that the unpredictability we encounter, be it the fickle weather patterns, the volatile stock market, or the perplexing quantum fluctuations, is not rooted in randomness, but in a complex pattern that is woven into the fabric of reality itself. Take the weather, for instance. One moment the sky is clear, and in the next it becomes a canvas for stormy clouds. Rain unpredictably pours down, creating patterns that seem random to the untrained eye. However, within the frame of the quantum consciousness continuum, this unpredictable weather is viewed as a grand orchestration, a pattern woven with the invisible threads of cosmic energy. The sudden rain is not a result of chaos, but a part of a grand design that far exceeds our comprehension. The stock market, notorious for its volatile behavior, is another example. It surges one day and plummets the next, unpredictability at its finest. No mathematical model or economic theory to date can predict its behavior with 100% accuracy. The quantum consciousness continuum framework, however, suggests that even this seeming randomness is part of a sophisticated pattern. It proposes that the stock market does not move sporadically, but in tune with a cosmic rhythm that we are yet to fully understand. Similarly, quantum fluctuations, a phenomenon that occurs at the microscopic level where particles appear and disappear unpredictably, is not random, according to the framework. These fluctuations are part of a grand choreography, not merely random happenings in the quantum realm, but substantial events happening in a reality far more profound than we can perceive. The framework positions that our current understanding of the world, our belief in chaos and randomness, might be confined by our limitations. Our scientific instruments and methodologies, as advanced as they are still evolving. They were created through human intellect and ingenuity, but might not yet be sophisticated enough to decode the cosmic code that governs all. Every unpredictable weather pattern, every volatile stock market shift, and every quantum fluctuation are seen as elements in a cosmic symphony. A symphony that might seem chaotic to us, but only because we haven't fully comprehended its notes and rhythms. The quantum consciousness continuum framework pushes us to listen, learn, grow and evolve, and accept the idea that what we perceive as chaos can indeed be order, randomness can be design, and unpredictability can have a purpose. However, our scientific tools and methodologies are still on the path to piercing this veil. They are yet to fully grasp the quantum consciousness continuum, to uncover the intricate order disguised as chaos, and to interpret the patterns woven into reality's fabric. Until then, we can only speculate and marvel at our universe's infinite complexity, a universe that might be less chaotic and more ordered than we ever dared to imagine. The framework presents a novel and insightful perspective on dark phenomena that allows us to delve deeper into the mysterious enigmas that pervade the universe. This revolutionary viewpoint is anchored in the intricate, infinite enigmas of the cosmos and the relentless pursuit of knowledge that spurs scientists forward. The novel perspective presented by the framework pivots on a captivating, contradictory notion: the existence of dark matter and dark energy. These elusive elements, dark matter and dark energy, are cryptic and vague, encapsulated within the vast, convoluted mysteries of the universe. They are the subject of innumerable theories, conjectures and suppositions, with no definitive conclusion in sight. To many, they are the invisible phantoms that lurk at the outskirts of our comprehension, always a little too far to grasp. In the context of this framework, these elusive elements, these abstract notions, are seen as emanations of the null realm. The null realm, a theoretical space devoid of all matter, represents a crucial and under-researched facet of cosmology. It is from this void that these concepts, these entities, dark matter and dark energy, are birthed, spawned from the void of the null realm. From the viewpoint of this framework, dark matter and dark energy are not just elusive entities, they are the offspring of the null realm, the progeny of the void. Their existence heralds the unknown, acting as messengers from the null realm, bearing tidings from this theoretical expanse. Despite originating from the null realm, these elements are far from inert. They do not merely exist, they interact. They engage with the observable universe, the cosmos that we can see, touch and grasp with our intellectual faculties. Their interaction is not mediated through light, sound or any standard forces, but through a more primal force. They interact via gravity, that primal force that fabricates the cohesion of the universe and forms the basis of all things. It is through the force of gravity that these emanations from the null realm announce their presence, influencing and molding our observable universe in ways we are only just starting to comprehend. The influence of these entities on our universe is immense. They contribute to the very fabric of reality, to the structure and cohesiveness of our observable universe. They are the unseen architects, the clandestine constructors operating behind the scenes, their impact felt but their presence unobserved. They contribute to the bedrock of the universe, to its elemental laws and principles. Moreover, their contributions are not restricted to the universe's structure, but also expansion. They are the forces propelling the universe outward, pushing the parameters of the observable universe ever further. They are the forces determining the speed of the universe's expansion, the rate at which it develops and metamorphoses. The disorder inherent in their distribution and behavior could well be a manifestation of this extremely complex order. This disorder, this seemingly arbitrary and unregulated distribution and behavior of dark matter and dark energy could be a mirror of the complex order born from the null realm. It's a complexity so elaborate, so twisted, that it appears as disorder to our constrained understanding. In summary, these elusive elements, these emanations of the null realm, represent not just fundamental features of our universe, but also potent symbols of the complexities and mysteries that lie beneath the surface of what we can perceive and understand. Even in the riotous quantum vacuum, abundant with transient entities known as ephemeral virtual particles, the encompassing theory finds its way. Within this immense cryptic domain, a ceaseless series of events transpires, sketching a representation of our universe that is as enchanting as it is complex. In these confines, particles and antiparticles spontaneously appear and disappear, forming the pulsating heart of the quantum world. These transient entities materializing from nothingness and vanishing just as swiftly are the living evidence of the enigmatic prowess of the quantum field. Their existence, although temporal, symbolizes the embodiment of disorder within an ostensibly orderly universe. Emerging from the vacuum, they live for a brief moment and then vanish without a trace. These ephemeral virtual particles, though often interpreted as chaotic fluctuations, hold a value that surpasses their minuscule size and transient existence. They represent much more than cosmic anomalies. They are integral components contributing to the grand reality's tapestry. One might dare say these virtual particles are the threads that bind the fabric of existence. The creation and destruction of these transient entities are integral to the relentless waltz of energy and matter. In this unending ballet, the quantum vacuum's fluctuations facilitate the genesis of real particles. This process is not a random event, but an orchestrated performance occurring under specific conditions. Under the universe's vigilant scrutiny, these conditions arise at the intersection of time, space, and energy. It is here that the disorderly becomes tangible, and the virtual materializes into the real. It is at this crossroad that the universe intertwines existence threads into the complex tapestry we perceive as reality. This creative process is not an isolated event, but is deeply connected with other participants in the cosmic drama. It is steered by the dynamic interaction between null states and consciousness. Null states represent the unformed potential, the blank canvas that reality uses as a backdrop for its masterpiece. In contrast, consciousness serves as the observer, the bystander to this majestic creation spectacle. Through the lens of consciousness, we discern and interpret the universe, bestowing meaning and form to the turbulent energy and matter dance. In this vast cosmic theatre, chaos is not an adversary, but a vital ingredient. Rather than disrupting universe's harmony, it enriches its intricate complexity. The universe translates its potential into reality through this ostensibly chaotic dance. This process underscores how chaos functions as a creative force. It is not a destructive agent, but a herald of creation. Chaos is the spark that fuels the creation engine, driving the constant cycle of birth, death, and rebirth in the cosmos. Thus, even the chaotic quantum vacuum, teeming with transient entities, is not left unscathed by this theory. At the heart of it all is the concept of quantum foam, a turbulent fluctuation at the Planck scale that underpins space-time itself. This framework suggests that within this chaos lies the potential for the emergence of space-time fabric, where the very geometry of the universe is continuously generated and reformed. The quantum consciousness continuum framework elucidates the intrinsic interconnectedness of all phenomena, where the apparent chaos at one level of reality is deeply entwined with order at another. This perspective invites a holistic view of the universe, recognizing the emergent order that arises from complex systems. This redefinition of chaos within the quantum consciousness continuum framework opens new pathways for understanding cosmic inflation, the distribution of galaxies, and the large-scale structure of the universe. Even quantum mechanics, with its inherently probabilistic nature, finds a new lens through which to view the chaotic yet ordered nature of the quantum world. The quantum consciousness continuum framework, with its revolutionary redefinition of chaos, challenges us to rewrite our understanding of the universe. It invites us to see chaos not as disorder, but as a form of hypercomplex order, a cosmic symphony waiting to be understood. Our journey through the quantum consciousness continuum framework would not have been possible without the invaluable contributions of some individuals. A special thanks to Elizabeth, whose insights have been instrumental in our exploration of this new understanding. And let's not forget her faithful companion Coco, who has provided us with countless moments of joy and inspiration during this process. Their contributions have helped us see chaos not just as a form of hyper-complex order, but as a cosmic symphony waiting to be understood.